Hello, children. How are you all? Fine. I'm fine. Thank you. What are you doing at home? You're enjoying your days? Yeah? Very good. Sitting at home? You're playing? Sitting at home? Enjoying? You're eating your food? Everything you're doing at home? That's very good. Sitting at home, we are doing everything, na? We can study also? Yes? Yes or no, children? Yes. Shall we start studying also? Sitting at home? That's good. So nice of you. Yes, give me thumbs up like this. Yes? Yes. You're all ready? Okay. We don't want to write anything today. Huh? We will do one thing. We will start with the subject GK. GK means general knowledge. What is GK? GK means general knowledge, which is common. Okay? Shall we start, children? Shall we go? Yes. Yes. Yes, children. Shall we say a rhyme now? Yes, we will play. Yes or no? We will play? Yes, I'm going to show you one thing. Tell me, what is this? What is this? Chota Bheem. See, Chota Bheem wants to learn one thing. Shall we say what he wants? Yes. See, he's telling a rhyme. We will repeat him. Okay? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ear and nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Repeat after me, children. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yes? Yes? So what is this? It will come under what? See, Chota Bheem wants to know what are all these. What are all these? Huh? This is parts of our body. What is this? These are all the parts of our body. See how he is saying now? Parts of our body. Yes? Yes? Shall we learn this? Yes, children. Yes. Chota Bheem is happy? Yeah, so cute. Yes. Today we are going to learn parts of the body. What is the heading? Parts of the body. Okay? Yes. We will learn. Yes. What is this first picture? Head. Where is your head? Just put your hand. Put your hand on your head. Head. Where is your head? Head. Yes. What is there on your head? What is this black one? What is this? Hair. This is head. This is hair. What is this? Hair. I can't hear, children. Can you repeat with me, please? What is this? Hair. What is this? Eyes. What is this? Eyes. Blink your eyes. Blink. Blink with your eyes. Whenever you're watching TV for a long time or playing in your mobile, please don't do such things. It is not correct. Okay? At times, blink your eyes like this. Okay? It is good for your eyes. Blink. Blink 10 times now. Blink. Yes. Yes. Good. What is this? Ears. How many ears we have? 1, 2. How many ears? 1, 2. Yes. Ears. What is this? Ears. See, ears will dance with us. Yes. Yes. What is this? Nose. Do like this. Do like this. I should hear everyone's voice now. Just do like this. Yes. Good. Yes. You are breathing, na? Yes. This is called, what is this? Nose. What is this? Mouth. What is this? Mouth. Open your mouth. Ah ha ha. You remember that rhyme? Yes. Open your mouth. Ah ha ha. Now you all open. I should say everyone's mouth is open now. Yes. Open. Close. Open. Close. Yes. Good. What is this? Fingers. How many fingers we have? Shall we count? Count with me. Just put your hands like this. Yes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers we have? 10 fingers. Show me. 10 fingers. Yes. Show me. Yes, very nice. How many fingers we have? 10 fingers. Yes. Yes. What is this? Cheek. You all know one rhyme, na? Based on the cheek. Yes. Chubby cheek, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes. So what is this? Cheek. What is this? Shoulder. Dance like this. Do. What is this? Shoulder. Yes, yes. You saw? Yes, good. What is this? Hand. What is this? Hand. Show me your hand. Yes. Just do like this. Close it. Open. Close. Open. How many hands we have? 2 hands. Just keep it like this. Shall we play again? Close. Yes. Open. What is this? Hand. How many hands we have? 2 hands. Where is your stomach? See? This is your stomach. Where is your stomach? Touch and show me. Stomach. Yes. Yes. Good. Children, what is this? This part is called knee. You remember we saw in that rhyme? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. That knee. Repeat with me. Knee. Yes. What is that? This is leg. This is called leg. Repeat with me. What is this? Leg. Yes. Leg. This is toes. What is this? Toes. What is this? Toes. Yes. Yes. Now, what are all the parts of the body we saw? Yes. Head, hair, nose, eyes, ears. What is this? Nose. This is cheek. Yeah, shoulders. And this is mouth. Shoulders. Fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. Hands. Knee. Where is knee? Show me. Knee. Leg. Toes. So what we saw, these are all the parts of the body. What is this? Parts of the body. Now we all know what is the parts of our body. Yes. Now You're going to answer me for the following questions. Yes, children, you all know now? Yes, what are all the parts of the body? You all know now? Yes or no? Yes, we are teaching to Chota Bheem also na? Yes, true. So, shall we start? What do you do with your eyes? Touch your eyes. If just close it with this. Close it like this. Close it. Can you see? No, na? Yes. We can see with our eyes. If you close, you can't see. Just close it. You can see anything? No, na? Just open. Yes, I can see all. Yes. So, I see with my eyes. What is the answer? I see with my eyes. What do you do with your eyes? I see with my eyes. Got it? What do you do with your ears? Close your ears. Close it. Tightly close it. Can you hear anything? No. Yes, correct. We can hear with our ears. When mama is calling you, beta idra, yes mama, we are going now. It is that we are hearing with our ears. What do you do with your ears? I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. Yes? Got it? Next one. What do you do with your nose? What do you do with your nose? I smell with my nose. I smell. Mama, कितना खुशबू आ रहा है मम्मा. Yes, we will tell ना. When mama is doing pav bhaji, dosa, sambar, mishal, dhokla, what will say? Mama, mastu khushbu. Yes. So, how we come to know that? That is the smell we are doing with our nose. I smell with my nose. Repeat with me. I am not hearing your voice, children. I smell with my nose. What do you do with your mouth? What do you do with your mouth? When mama has given pav bhaji, misal, dosa, dhokla, what do you do? Eat. Yes, we should say, I eat with my mouth. I eat with my mouth. Yes? Yes or no? You all had your tiffin in the morning? Yes? Good. You had your tiffin through your mouth, na? Yes or no? Yes, very good. What do you do with your hands? I work with my hands. Work means whatever mama is giving you, दे दो मम्मा. मम्मा लेके आओ, ले लो मम्मा. ये water bottle पकड़ो. Keep this water bottle with you. Just this is a work. Writing, it's also a work. So I work with my hands. I work with my hands. Yes, we are doing all the works with our hand. We are driving. We are doing all sort of things with the help of our hands. What do you do with your legs? What we do? Yes, I walk with my legs. See how he is walking. Chota Bheem is walking. Yes, this is how we will walk. Yes or no? Yes, he is walking. How you will come to school? From the gate to the classroom, how you will come? By walking. inside house from one room to other room. How you will go? You will walk, you will run, everything with the help of our legs. So we should say, I walk with my legs. Got it? Yes. So what we saw today in GK, first lesson, parts of the body. What is the heading? Parts of the body. You're all clear? Yes, children, you all know now what are all the parts of the body and how it is useful for us. Yes? Good, very good. Just revise the lesson. If you have any doubt, please revert to me, okay? I will see you soon in our next chapter. Okay? Bye, children. Take care. See you soon.